Hey everybody. What's most important for me is in life, because we come here as souls having a human experience. We didn't come here typically to just not evolve, so the most important thing is to evolve. It's only through evolving will we have new experience and different experiences than the previous ones. So it's most important to stay humble and open instead of being in denial or attached to your identity, your false ego, your false identity of who you are as a person, or thinking that what you believe is who you are. So it's very important in life to be able to let go and to change. Let go of the past, let go of the old programming, let go of the old beliefs that don't serve you anymore going forward. So a lot of people hang on to the old and stay in habits. But it's only when we're willing to change and let go are we available to new amazing opportunities for our life to change for the better in terms of everything: fitness, wealth, relationships, happiness, joy, peace, ability, and knowing what love is, and the ability to love, our health, our fitness, everything. Career, new friends, living in new places potentially too. Of course, we can always stay in the same place or have similar friends, but really ultimately it's all about inner change. It's not essentially about outer change, but as inner change happens, often outer change, of course, follows. So, being in denial means to be closed minded. To think you know everything is to be arrogant. To be arrogant is to be closed. So, evolution and expansion and change for me personally is a deep thing in my life. And it means investigating and looking at my own self, my own habits, behaviors, actions, reactions, behavior, my own life, my own day, my own lifestyle, the things that I do and don't do, and just having a look and being willing to listen to other people is the most important thing. Being willing to listen or read and just basically listen to new things. And don't say, no, that's not true. Like in my own self, my own life, I basically say, I don't necessarily believe a lot of stuff. Like most things I hear out there, like, or read on the internet, I don't necessarily believe whatsoever. I can't. How can you believe it? But I don't necessarily fully disbelieve it or believe it's not true either, unless I have very good reason to. So it's very good. This comes down to the teaching of being skeptical but open. So yeah, I hope you're having a nice day, and I hope this little video helps you to stay open and have a better life. That's my intention. I hope you have a better life and a happier life. Okay. See you again. Have a beautiful day.